Hello, I'm Sadashiv Fadnis, Product Marketing Manager for Rubidium signal generators here at Anritsu. Rubidium implements many interesting features for customers to make their measurements. I want to talk about one such feature today called the Attenuator Decoupling mode. This feature is very useful for customers who are looking to do gain transfer function measurements on linear devices. To make the gain transfer function measurement, it is necessary for the signal generator to vary its output level over 40 dB range or more. In order to produce such wide output range, signal generators have to change the step attenuator settings multiple times, and this creates some undesirable transients at the output of the device under measurement. With Rubidium's attenuator decoupling feature, customers can freeze the step attenuator setting and use the ALC range of the instrument to vary the output level. With the step attenuator setting frozen, the transients are minimized and customers can do their measurements. Attenuator decoupling mode can be enabled through Rubidium's graphical user interface on the front panel. Go to the level menu and click on the attenuator sub-menu. You will see a slider toggle control called auto attenuation as shown on the screen here. Toggle this control to the left side, which turns off automatic control of step attenuator by Rubidium's internal ALC algorithm. Please note that you must keep the ALC source to internal as shown on the next slide here. ALC source setting is available on loop control menu within the ALC menu, as you can see on the screen. Once the attenuator decoupling mode is set, you can perform level sweep in a number of ways. One way is to set up level sweep using Rubidium's level sweep menu on the front panel touchscreen. Another way is to set up the sweep remotely through the Skippy commands. And here is a short Python script to set up the level sweep.